A bit of gossip for the men. There are some little things women find attractive in you, and for some reason, many men do not understand why. Romantic attraction is a complicated thing that scientists still don't completely understand. However, through research and experimentation, they have come up with many ideas about what draws one person to another. Often, the things men focus on might not cut it for so many women. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you 3 traits that women find attractive in a man. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. Go check out my website to view the complete article on what makes a man attractive. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. 1. Kindness and selflessness. If you're looking for a long-term relationship, research has shown rather unsurprisingly that women are attracted to a man who is generous and selfless over someone who is vain. The thought that someone somewhere will go all out and have their back anytime keeps women in a relationship. Women find men who go all out and are genuinely kind and very attractive. 2. A good first impression is vital. Be aware, and think before you speak. Once a half-thought comment is out of your mouth, it's out, and irreversible damage could be done. In a date-based scenario, experiments have shown that women are more attractive to men who are non-judgmental, observant, and respectful. When you make judgmental remarks or spiteful remarks on the first date, well, the chance that they would even pick up your call after is very slim. 3. Laughter. In most cases, women are more attracted to men who can make them laugh. Funny men are sexier than bland ones. Seen as a sign of intelligence, a good sense of humor is instrumental in getting a woman interested in you. Don't be too serious, make her laugh and see how drawn she would be to you. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.